Hi there, my name is Wayne Hedlund. In today's video, we're going to just show you very quickly how to create a YouTube thumbnail image. Very easy. How to create a YouTube thumbnail image to be able to put on your YouTube channel. A lot of times I work with various individuals who have a YouTube channel and they post videos on there. You put this thumbnail image on the channel and it's just going to allow your video to just pop and look a lot more professional. So the first thing I want to recommend you do is go to canva.com. It is free for you to go to Canva and use the tools there. When you get there and you've logged in and created your account, go ahead right here at the very beginning and type in YouTube thumbnail, and go ahead and hit enter. And YouTube thumbnail templates, here they are right here. And you're just going to browse through and say, which of these templates look interesting to me? Is there something, one of these templates that fits with something that I want to do? And actually, I'm going to just real quick here, make sure I did it. Okay, so YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to look very quickly and see if I can find the one that I researched and found earlier that I really liked for the particular one that I'm going to focus on here. Oh, there it is right here. So I kind of like the look of this one. I'm going to turn that into a thumbnail for one of my particular videos that I've already created. So I'm going to click customize this template. And now we're going to see a bunch of the elements in here. It looks exactly like they made it, but I'm just going to go ahead and select any of the elements here. You can see all the images, or all the different text in here. So first of all, volume 1, I don't really want that. I want to say the name of my website. So I'll say TL, spell it right, TL Sites. All right, and then down here, I actually want it to be my web address, so tlsites.com. I don't particularly want that to be all caps, and so all of these different options up here will let me experiment and find something that works a little bit better. I might even want to underline that just to kind of highlight the fact that it is a website. Now, the name of this particular thumbnail, YouTube channel, is going to be related to another video that I made called crop and resize images with Pixlr. All right, so that's pretty long right there. So let's adjust it, see what we can do. I'm going to go ahead and drag this out, maybe to right here. Drag this over here to this side right here, and it's still not working. So I'm going to drag it further and further. Now I want to make sure I've got plenty of borders, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to change the size of this, maybe 85 size font instead of 92. It's still not fitting, so I'm going to keep experimenting, and this is pretty much par for the course when you're trying to build various things right here. All right, so there it is, images with Pixlr. I think it works pretty good. I'm going to move this up just a wee bit, move this down just a little bit, make sure it's centered. I feel pretty comfortable with that. Of course, the background is not the background that I want. And so the next thing we'll do is we'll go to uploads. I've already uploaded the image that I want. And so you can just click an image that you have created and drag it. Now, if you drag it to the proper place, like right here, it's just going to pop it in here as over top everything. So that's not what I wanted. But if I click and drag slowly, you'll see it replaced the background. Now it's replaced that background with mine. I don't like how that particular image is centered because the image is bigger than this space. So I'm going to double click on the image once it's highlighted, and it's going to let me adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to move it around here. I want it to actually be over here, and then we'll click somewhere there. So now I've adjusted that image. I kind of have it the way I want it to look. This TL Sites right here is getting lost down here. So I'm going to click on this again. I'm actually going to click on the shape here, and we're going to adjust that shape. How do we do that? So we're shape right up here. I think the color scheme, we're going to make it right there. I think I like that, and so we'll keep that color. Click away. All right, I feel pretty good about this. I think it looks the way I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and just select the last thing I should do is name it. So I'm going to call this YouTube. This is my Pixlr thumbnail. All right, thumbnail for TN, whatever you want to do it. Click share, and now what we're going to do is download. In this particular case, I don't necessarily want to download it as a PNG. If there was transparency in the background, maybe I would. PNG files tend to be a little bigger than others, so I'm just going to go ahead and select a JPEG, and my image size here is kind of already set up the way that it's recommended for a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to click download. It will download that image and I will be good to go, and I can upload it to my YouTube channel to make it look just a little bit more professional. All right, so hopefully this helps you understand it is actually quite simple to create thumbnails for your website, for your YouTube channel, just using this free version of Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.